Okay, so we have this equation, and the first thing we want to do is always get everything to one side and get it equal to 0, which it already is. Now, if you have an equation that has x cubed, you cannot use the quadratic formula to start with, because quadratic means the highest exponent is 2. So anytime you have x cubed, your first clue with that x cubed, that tells you to factor. So the first thing I'm going to do is factor out a greatest common factor. They all have an x in them, so I'm going to take an x out. Sorry. So we take out x, we have 7x squared plus 19x minus 36. Alright, then we're going to look at what's in the parentheses to factor that. And so with that, since we have this number in front of x squared, that tells me that we're going to do bottoms up. So I'm going to come over here and multiply the 7 times 36. So we get x squared plus 19x minus, if you multiply those two, you get 252. Then we're going to factor. And this one isn't so obvious, but 28 times 9 is 252. And so we use 28 and 9. We'll do a positive 28 and a negative 9 to get positive 19. And then we're going to take this 7 and put it back under here. And reduce. So 28 over 7 is 4. This doesn't reduce, so we're going to pull the 7 back in front, and we have 7x minus 9. So we put that back into our problem, and we have the x on the outside, and then we've got x plus 4 and 7x minus 9. And then you take each one that has an x in it and set it equal to 0. So I've got this x equals 0. Then we've got x plus 4 equals 0. And you subtract 4 on both sides, and we get x equals negative 4. So we've got 0 and negative 4. And then take this one, 7x minus 9 equals 0. Add 9. So we have 7x equals 9. Divide by 7. And your third answer is 9 over 7. Hope that helps.